In this video, we're going to talk about data tabs. So data tabs is another interesting feature of the Slurpi't plugin, and it would allow you to get live data from your network. So let me actually show you what that is. If I go to plugin, go to settings, go to data tabs, and from here I have to sync to get all the plannings available from Slurpi't. So I'm going to sync. From here, you're going to see all the plannings available in Slurpi't. So if I go to Slurpight, planning, and these are my plannings. And all of these are now here available in the plugin in Nautobot. So I've already synced it, and from now on, every data related to these plannings will be also replicated into Nautobot. So I have already some plannings running. So if I go to any of the devices, maybe go to iOS, go to collected data, under ARP, we see some data. Under interfaces, we see some data. So from here, if I want to actually see the data related to these plannings, I have to select them all and click on save. Now, if I go to my devices here, you'll see the onboarded devices. I go to my Cisco iOS here. And since the data tabs are enabled and saved, you see this Slurpitt tab over here. So if I click on that, click on here, you see the plannings are appearing here, or basically anything that you checked. You can, if you want, select one of the plannings, so it really depends on how you want it. I'm gonna click on interfaces, and you see the information related to interfaces, and ARP should be here as well. So the good thing and interesting part of it is that if anything changes related to these plannings, if Slurpit has new findings, it would also push that new findings, replicate that to Nautobot, and as a result, we're going to have live data from our networks and configurations. So that's all I wanted to cover. I will see you in the next one.